The new Oakland A's baseball stadium, opening 2028 on the former Tropicana Las Vegas site, is literally next door. OYO sits right on Tropicana Avenue with direct views, and easy access locals are already speculating it could drive room demand for games and events. Some doubt it will overcome the hotel's reputation, but the location boost is real. Bottom line, the rebrand stripped away the fun, recognizable identity, first traffic hit, and the 2025 restaurant closure removed the last big draw, second hit. OYO is fighting back with practical upgrades, new dining, better pricing policies, and the upcoming stadium traffic. It's still a very cheap, convenient off-strip option for budget travelers who don't mind trading flash for value. But whether the modernization and ballpark crowd can fully restore its earlier buzz remains to be seen. If you're curious about current conditions, recent guest reviews on TripAdvisor or Reddit paint a mixed but improving picture. The stadium is a goldmine for this hotel casino. It may be the single biggest opportunity to revive the property and make it more valuable than ever. But that won't happen unless they change the name. There is simply no way the OYO brand can succeed here. Ask any local if they've been by the OYO lately, and they'll look at you like you have two heads. You mean Hooters? Didn't they close? When you explain that the name changed from Hooters to OYO, and the restaurant later closed, they usually respond with confusion. Wait, what? The OYO name brings absolutely nothing to the property. It's time for a complete rebrand. The property should lean all the way into a baseball theme. Every employee, from dealers and hotel clerks to bell staff and managers, should wear baseball jerseys while on duty, 365 days a year, no exceptions. The bathrooms could be labeled baseball and softball. The theme should be played to the hilt so locals start talking about it constantly. Before long, visitors will want to stay there just to experience it. The most important change, however, is the name. Without a strong new name, no one will take the property seriously. Remember, Resorts World is also foreign-owned, yet they chose a name that sounds American and approachable. OYO is foreign-owned with a foreign name that virtually no one recognizes or connects with. The new name must tie directly to the stadium or baseball in general. What do you think? Leave your name suggestions in the comments. I'll make sure the OYO management sees them. Here is my list of possible names for this hotel casino. Home Run Hotel, Dugout Inn, Home Plate Hotel, The Diamond Inn, Ballpark Suites, Grand Slam Lodge, Stadium House Hotel.
Stars tap, dancing time just for me and you.
Slugger's Stay, Home Run Haven, Fans Dugout, Bleacher Beds, Extra Innings Inn, Diamond Club Hotel, The Bullpen.
Oh baby, ain't that a clickin'?
Championship Suites, All-Star Residences, Base Camp Hotel, Walk-Off Inn, Curveball Court, Knuckleball Lodge, 7th Inning Stretch Suites.
You're the groove, the jive, the rock to my roll.
Rally House Hotel, Stadium Shadow Hotel, Right Field Resort, Ballpark Boulevard Inn, Shortstop Suites, Home Plate Hotel, Grand Slam Suites.
A click in my head. The
Slugger's Stay, Diamond Club Hotel, Walk-Off Inn, The Bullpen, Extra Innings Hotel, Ballpark Haven.
The moves on a string like a puppet on cue. The moves on a string like a puppet on cue. Stars tap, dancing time just for me and you. A laugh in my chest, a skip in my tread. Oh baby, ain't that a click in my head?